Okay, people, that's Martin. Martin, wave a little bit so then people know you.
Hi, hi.
So that's the best chef in Amed and Tulamben. Yeah. So actually we started to come here by Taras recommendation,
Yes.
right? So we started to come here by Taras recommendation. I don't know how he got here, but probably because he was still, at that time he was working in Chandidasa, and every time they did diving here, they were looking where they can eat, and so they found this place. And then when the Taras started to work for us, so then he brought us here.
Yeah.
That's how we get to know about this place. We are at Chops and Hops. This restaurant is inside the Ocean Sun Resort territory, and the Martin is a chef of this place. And yeah, so when you come here, so specifically we always coming here for the steak. And it doesn't matter, it's a tenderloin, sirloin, it's super good. That's one of the best. The way the Martin prepare it, that's the best.
Yes.
Yeah. And you can get all these fancy steaks in Canggu and Kuta, but I don't, first of all, it's super expensive there. That's the first thing. And here it's cheaper and it's even better.
And here is also best steak burger.
Yeah, steak burger, sirloin, steak or tenderloin, the best. We just mentioned that we are here for the purpose, and that's my name day. You have to know that in Latvia everyone has a name day. The name day is something special. Let's say every single day in a calendar has its name day. For example, 10th of November, that's the name for Martin and Marcis. So that's Latvian names. It's not really Latvian name, it's also in Germany, it's really popular name. So Martin is really popular, it's a national name. The Martin's name day is the same day when the harvest is done and the people celebrate. Like nowadays no one is really harvesting that much anymore. There's a big farms and that stuff, but in old times it was a harvest day when everybody celebrated the harvest. There is a traditional food for Martin's Day, and it's usually goose, right? So in Latvia there is a goose filled with what is it?
Sauerkraut.
Sauerkraut?
Yes. It's like a sour cabbage.
Yeah, sauerkraut. So it's a sour cabbage with it's mixed with apples
green
and also
apples, and sometimes put inside some plums.
and
Prunes,
carrots. Prunes, carrots.
No. Only sauerkraut, prunes and apples.
Okay. So for example, Laura's name day is in April.
Do you remember?
Yeah,
when
it's
it is?
18th of April. Yeah, so I still remember. I have a really bad memory on the dates. This is so. If I would not remember that, I would not be still alive here.
Really?
That's a holy things you guys have to remember: the birthday of your wife, name day, and an anniversary date as well. Yeah, that's really important. It's not that hard, to be honest. Yeah, it's not that bad with me. I'm still okay with these things. What else? So yeah, today we don't have a goose, but we're gonna have a steak.
And then
You already ordered, no?
No, not yet.
Not yet. So we will order, and that will be sirloin today. And then later on I will show you how it looks like. My everybody who knows me, they know that my name is actually not Martin. My name is Mārtiņš. In Latvian language, it's Mārtiņš. I will write it down on the screen. So, Mārtiņš. And so that's another tradition for the Latvians is that when you have a birthday, you can come only if you are invited.
Yeah.
When you have a name day, you can come, just show up, and that's it. You don't have to have any invitation. And we celebrate the name day on the same level as birthday.
When was that very difficult time? When was 2008 and 2009? So people in the name days, they didn't came with the gifts, but they came with like a food. Someone brought some like a strudel, someone brought some salad, someone brought some pastry, something.
But it was like they communicated before, and they said, okay, I will bring the salad, I will bring the cake. So it's not like 20 people came with a cake, or everybody came with salad
or chips.
chips.
Chips and Coke.
chips and Coke.
No, actually, it's very good tradition.
I love it.
When friends coming, they bring some food, and you don't have to care. And then you really feel like you have a party, and you are something special because they care about you, and that feeling is super good.
Actually, I was kind of upset when we started living in Philippines. It's like, you know, in the Philippines, when we started living, that's like international rules of all these things, and then you become invited to the... I was super disappointed when I got invited to some birthday party, and I had to pay for my drinks and everything, which is normal. Now I understand it, it's normal. But in Latvia, if someone invites you somewhere, so that means they will pay for you for everything. Or then they should say, okay, I pay for this one, and then that's this kind of the thing. We were about to invite Elliot and Adriana as well, but they have an exam tomorrow. Tomorrow is an instruct exam, so everybody, cross fingers. Elliot and Adriana is doing exam tomorrow. It's really important, 2 days. And Francois. Yeah, I'm serious. You have to pass this one. So, love it. Wish you can be here and eat the steak together with me. Sorry you're not here. I'm gonna finish it alone.
Not alone, with me.
Laura has another one, so I'm gonna finish this one. This is mine, and this is for Laura. So I have baked potatoes, and Laura has salad. Yeah, I have.
And you have a black pepper sauce.
I'm gonna eat with a black pepper sauce, and Laura with gorgonzola sauce. Normally I'm not eating like this. It was just to make you jealous. I have no cake for you, and you cannot anyway eat it just because I'm in Bali and you somewhere around the world. But I have some really good footage from Laura, and I think that aesthetical enjoyment sometimes is more important than just the cake, right? Enjoy! Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow again. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram and Facebook, please. See you. Bye.